What's up, y'all? So I had a bunch of ingredients in the fridge that I need to use up, so let's make a random dinner. I have some shrimp here, so I'm just gonna saute those. I have some corn, so I'm gonna make some corn ribs, and then carrot salad. To the oven. Oh, some red chili flakes. To the fridge. We are gonna peel our shrimp and we're gonna leave the tails on.